So if you're looking to do a driving test and you've just completed your 12 EDT lessons, you're going to want to make sure that they're in the system for you. So just go on to the RSA website and get your learner permit out and type in your names, your surname as they appear on the license. So if you have a double barrel name, O'Sullivan, Shaughnessy, or wherever it is, just make sure you put them in. And it's very case sensitive as well, so you're going to want to make sure you're putting any FODAs in as well. And then on your first name, if you have a double name, say David, John or Peter Thomas, put that in also. And then your date of birth and your driver number as it appears exactly on your license. Hit search and you'll see the lessons that's been uploaded for you. If the lessons haven't gone in, don't panic on it. It might be an oversight on your instructor's behalf. So get on to them, give them a quick call, make sure that they double check that they've put all the details in correctly. And failing that, if you can't get it resolved, then get on the phone to the RSA and they'll be able to remedy that for you. And don't panic if you've lost your logbook. That's not the end of the world either. That can also be sorted for you. But just to make sure you're getting on and doing these checks, just to make sure that you're not getting left behind in the queue.